What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Days of Asian Food. Now in these videos, I want to make Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Now if you follow this channel, about 2 years ago, I've made this lemongrass chicken once, but I could not resist to make it again. It is so delicious. And this time, I'm going to use a grill pan to remake this most popular recipe. It is sweet, it's sour, it's savory, and the aroma of the lemongrass all hitting your palate simultaneously. What a culinary experience. So, let's get started. Let's start by cutting and chopping the ingredients that we need in the recipe. Cut and finely chop a few shallots. Cut off both ends of the lemongrass. Remove the outer layer which is fibrous. Then cut it into small sections. Next, finely chop some garlic. And also finely chop some ginger. We also need some finely chopped red chili, which is for the dipping sauce. And then get 2 to 3 stalks of scallion, cut it crosswise into 2. And thinly slice the green and the white section separately. Cut a lime and squeeze out the juice. You can use lemon as the substitute if you don't have lime. Put the chopped lemongrass into the blender. Blend it until it looks like meat floss. Okay, we have finished the preps. Now we start to marinate the chicken. This recipe works best with skin-on boneless chicken thigh. Add the following ingredients to marinate the chicken. Shallots, the blended lemongrass, ginger and garlic, white pepper, light soy sauce, fish sauce, some lime juice, some vegetable oil, sugar, and lastly, the white section of the scallion. Massage all the ingredients into the meat and let it sit for at least half a day or overnight to marinate it for the best result. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dipping sauce. It is pretty easy to make. Put some water into a small pan. Then add the sugar and let it dissolve. Then add the vinegar. And fish sauce. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, remove it from heat. Then add the lime juice. And lastly, the chopped garlic and chili. That's the dipping sauce. We use it for the lemongrass chicken. The final step is to grill the chicken. You can use the grill pan, open fire, or just pan fry it. Pan fry skin side down until you get the grill mark. And then turn it over to grill the other side until it is fully cooked and the sugar caramelized. Let it cool a little and cut it into large pieces. Finally, an optional step is to make some scallion oil. Heat some oil in a pan, add some salt. Then add the green section of the chopped scallion and let it sizzle. Pour it immediately onto the lemongrass chicken. It's done and time to enjoy. That's how to make lemongrass chicken Vietnamese style. And I've included the recipe in the description below the video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Thanks for watching and bye for now.